Hey, this is Mike with Riding in the Ozarks, where we talk riding, rallies, gear, and wrenching. This channel is mainly motorcycle related, but occasionally we ride something else, such as four-wheelers or side-by-sides. Today's video is made up of clips from my daughter's first solo ride on a new Honda Recon four-wheeler. This was her 14th birthday, and I had just bought this Honda Recon for her to ride on our small patch of 13 acres. I am following her around in a Polaris Ranger that we also have. As I was growing up, we did a lot of hunting and fishing. We rode horses, and then as I got into my teenage years, I rode dirt bikes and three-wheelers. We used to go to hay rides and have bonfires. The 80s were pretty sweet from my perspective. Like many kids in her generation, she is more into YouTube, video games, anime, and her phone. She's also really into music and art, and she is talented. But we're two different people as far as interest and likes, and sometimes it's hard for us to relate and find common ground to bond over. Her older sister had enrolled in an out-of-state college the previous fall. With her sister being gone, and me being a single parent, it was more important for us to find things we could do together and that we both enjoyed, especially now that she did not have her sister to do things with. Over a year later, I feel this is probably one of the best purchases I've ever made. It gets her out of the house more and off the computer or phone. I ended up buying a used four-wheeler from a neighbor, and now we both ride four-wheelers together. She started doing more outdoor-related things with me also, including learning firearm safety, and occasionally she goes for a ride with me on the Harley. I think this has helped her prepare for driving an automobile. She now has her driving permit, and I think riding the four-wheeler has helped her learn to gauge slowing down and stopping, and accelerating through turns, or maneuvering around objects. It is obviously different than a car, but some experience is better than no experience, and she's doing much better at this point than her older sister did, who had not had this kind of opportunity. Do you have any off-road vehicles that you ride with your kids? If so, leave a comment and let me know what you're out riding with them. Maybe they ride your Harley or motorcycle with you. That's cool too. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, as it helps me stay motivated to put out more content. If you want to see the new content, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell to be notified whenever I publish new videos. Thanks, and keep on riding.